Hey everyone, I want to show you this 4 bedroom, 3 bath. This is a huge house. This one is almost about 3,000 square feet, but if you can see the land, this is just the front acre. That's about 2 acres. The back would be, like if you head out towards this, it has 2 extra parcels included, but the greenery around here is beautiful. There's so many fruit trees. You got mangoes, you have pomegranates, pecans. This is a really nice home, and people who are interested in flipping homes, this one is a go-to. I know for sure, just off the top of it, it does need a new roof. Minus you need flooring and a paint job. But other than that, I mean, you're squared away, you're ready to move in, and let me show you what you'll be walking into. Let's take a look. So let's look at this home. Very large living room. This is about 17 by 21, large space. So look at this kitchen. Brighten up this kitchen here. Very nice. I mean, there's so many cabinets. It is insane. And you still have a pantry. Huge kitchen. If you have a big family, big dining room area. And then look at this. I know my wife would love a large laundry room, and it comes with a sink. There's not many places you could say. And here's the backyard, what I was talking about. Look at this. Huge yard. And along this line right there, you have a creek, which is awesome. Let's see if we could go take a look at this creek. By the way, as we're going out, you can see some more vegetation. That right there, those are grapes, and you could actually see some of the grapes forming. Let's go out to them. Ooh, look at that. These are muscadine. See if they're ready. Oh, they're not ready, but let me taste them. They're actually pretty good. It's not fully ready, but yeah, they're pretty good. A little tart. Look at the creek here, which is nice. You can see the water softly running through there. Absolutely beautiful. Got a pecan tree there. You have huge mango trees. I mean, there's so much here. Let's go inside and take a look. I'm gonna show you a little bit more of the home, but if you want to see more, I really advise you to come. Let's take a tour. Oh, here, let me show you the property. Look at that. Huge. I would put a huge pool there. Put a cow, goats, chickens. But talk about flipping this home. If you're into flipping. Let's go in. Huge garage. Look at this. I mean, not many garages are this big. Most of them cut off right there, and then you have this whole section here. So just short of a 3-car garage, but it's very huge, especially if you have a lot of storage stuff. Now let's head to the other bedrooms. Usually I do master bedrooms last, but this one has 2 master suites. I have one here. This one's 14 by 15. Very large. See, a little outdated, but it's not too bad. I mean, really, like I said, new paint job, new flooring will definitely do the trick. What's this here? Look how huge. That is a massive closet. Very, very big. Here's the second bathroom. This bathroom there's 3 bathrooms in this home. This is another guest room. Here's another room. This one has 2 closets. Very deep. Now, to show you the last part. It's up here. Now, coming up to the second floor, you have another in-house suite. A living room. This could be almost like a little studio. Has a little kitchenette. Place to put your TV. A storage closet. Here's the other bathroom, which is pretty nice. There's a closet. And here's the other master bedroom. Not too bad. So, tell me what you think. If you're interested in this large house flip, it does need some repairs, but for you're getting at a great price. Even if you flip it, you're making a great deal. Again, call me at 407-790-6232. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with all your investor buddy friends. And I'd love to show you more of the home. Thank you.